Let me show you all methods that allow you to capture a screenshot on the Motorola Edge 70. Let's start with the combination of buttons. Over here we can press the power button and volume down button in order to capture the screenshot quite easily. There we go. Besides that, we have the three-finger gesture, three-finger gesture screenshot, and it's just, as the name suggests, we just have to use three fingers, touch and hold on the screen in order to capture the screenshot. In this case, the gesture might be deactivated, so if it doesn't work for you, open the gesture settings, and in here you should be able to find three-finger screenshot, which of course must be enabled. While being in gesture settings, you can also go to quick launch over here, and you can use the back tap gesture. So when it's enabled, you can tap on the setting icon, and over here you can choose to take a screenshot. So now we can double tap the back of the phone. There we go. Usually I just tap on the upper side, but apparently you should also be able to tap somewhere over here, for example, where we have the Motorola logo. However, most of the time I think it actually works somewhere over there. There we go. And furthermore, this is not the only way. If you want to, for example, capture a screenshot of an app, of course you can use any of these previous methods that I had just shown you. But you can also go to background apps and you can use the scissors icon in order to capture a screenshot of the app preview. You can also go to quick settings or the control center, and over here you should be able to find the screenshot button. Sorry about that, let's go back over there. So you can tap over here to hide the control center or quick settings and capture a screenshot quite easily. And also you can use the sidebar. If you actually have sidebar, you can add the screenshot option. In order to add it, once you open the sidebar, tap on the setting at the bottom, and over here go to tools in order to find the screenshot option so you can add it to the list. And I believe that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.